This is a message from the BBC. Information about a strange creature has seen in London. If you see this, call the authorities and receive it at www.bbc.uk or in the BBC website. NATO is confirming about this creature who is from. We received the notification from NATO. Is a dear girl from an anime named as Nokotan, which has antlers, brown hair, and a cute smile, is seen around London, Manchester and other UK cities. We have contact with John Barbosa, from the BBC News, in London.
This is London. We see a street, while we see Nokotan. The British is starting to make memes out of it. Also, Deers is seen in Cardiff and Liverpool. And, what the heck? Is that a real Nokotan? God, help us. She is watching it meanly.
Emergency. Emergency. NATO has planned to launch nuclear weapons in order to defeat Nokotan. Unfortunately, the cities is listed: London, Manchester, Glasgow, Liverpool and Cardiff. If you live in the cities, evacuate now. Move to a rural area. UK will collapse, as the same as France, Ireland, Germany and USA.